Chapter 9, Places to Live in Space. Someday there might be a large wheel-shaped structure orbiting Earth. On this structure there could be schools, hospitals, factories, and apartments. Some people may live on this structure for their whole lives. Before this day comes, many problems must be solved. Growing up and living in space is very different from spending 2 weeks on a space shuttle. What is a space station? A space station is a spacecraft that orbits Earth and stays in space for many years. The space shuttle brings astronauts to the station and takes them back to Earth. The shuttle also brings food, water, air, and other supplies to the space station. What was Skylab? Skylab was the first space station launched by the United States. It stayed in space from 1973 to 1979. 3 crews of astronauts spent time there. The longest mission was 84 days. What is the International Space Station? The International Space Station is a giant space station that the United States, Russia, Canada, and 13 other countries are working together to build. It is called Freedom. Different parts of the space station are going to be taken to space and built there. When it is finished, astronauts will be able to live and work there for long periods of time. What was the Mir? Mir was a space station that was launched in 1986 by the Soviet Union. Astronauts from many countries have stayed on Mir. In 1994 and 1995, astronauts returned to Earth after spending 438 days on Mir. That is the longest time anyone has lived in space. In years to come, there might be space colonies where millions of people could live their whole lives. Who knows? Maybe one day you might live in space. Gravity Grabber. Every 2 years, about 4,000 people apply for the United States space program to be astronauts. Only 20 or 35 of those people are chosen to be in the program. That's the end of our Living in Space.